I'm Erin McMurray, and I'm the Test Kitchen Director at America's Test Kitchen. I manage the test kitchen, and we have a 15,000 square foot test kitchen in our new space, and along with the 15,000 square feet, there's a lot of things that we need to maintain and keep running in good running order so that the test cooks have the appliances that they need, the food that they need, the equipment that they need. We have a bunch of editorial teams who work here. We have Cooks Illustrated, Cooks Country. We have the book team, who's always developing at least a couple books at one time. We have the photo team, and the photo team is a team of 6 people who prepare all the food for all photo shoots and video shoots that happen in our space. They're really busy, and they take all of our recipes that we have finalized and they just reproduce them so that they're perfect. And those are all the pictures that you see in our magazines and books and online. They all work in the test kitchen spaces, so our team, Kitchen Operations, really is here to support everybody's needs, to make sure that the photo shoots happen smoothly, video shoots happen smoothly, the television goes smoothly, that all the test cooks have the food that they need for their recipe development and equipment that they need for recipe development. We also have the tasting and testing team. They are in charge of all product reviews and equipment tests, and everything that they come up with their bottom line, their winners, we stock in our kitchen. All of our recipes are developed using those products. Our team just really has a hand in every corner of this whole space. Not only is it fun to just to create the food, but of course there's leftovers, and so the leftovers get packed up by all the cooks, and we have a take-home refrigerator where all the food goes into, and the rest of the staff can come and visit that fridge all day long and take food home for dinner. A lot of people, the grocery bills of probably the entire staff has gone down since they started working at America's Test Kitchen. There's a lot of food to choose from.